Hello everyone, how to fix an error. Your account has been deactivated by Google. When you add an ebook for sale online through Google partners on Google Play. So follow me in this video to know how to fix this error. Before we going, please subscribe to the channel to reach every good and important and useful videos we upload through this channel. We are recording videos in English and in Arabic in a different variety of subjects. So follow me. We have the book. We have books here, and this book in Arabic كيف تستثمر في أسهم البورصة أو in stock market in Arabic. It's an Arabic book. So I get this message: your account has been disabled by Google, and he asked me to contact our support team in Google if I have any questions. So this is a big problem. So we go to help center here, click in help center, and from help center contact us, and there are many ways. Tell us what we can help you with. So I will tell him that I need to activate my account. This is a message. Next, deactivate account. Yes, deactivate account. Next. So here you have to select one method of this. I created an account already, so I will not do this. Okay. And I prefer this one, which is email us. So I will send press to email us, and then I will press here again. Then you get my information because I did the registration in Arabic, so my name in Arabic here, and this is my email. Select one of the identifier, so I use GG key. Then I will go to back here. I will copy the this key, which is identification for my book. Copy, and then going here. Here, and paste it. And then, would you like to report another book? No, just one. And then I will go back to get the error message. Copy, and then go back here and paste here, and then submit. You can take a screenshot and put it in a file through Paintbrush or Photoshop, and then save this file and choose this file. You can take the print screen for this message, okay, and do it. So it's enough to send them the message. Please press like to the video and share the video to others so they can get useful, and the channel will be distributed, and we get more people. And thanks for watching this video. So thanks, bye bye.